to install this new Uniden Pro520XL we picked up yesterday, and some mounting hardware, and we'll see how it goes.
Now you're thinking of putting it.
Oh well, we haven't. First thought was here, right there. I don't know, up here there's not really a spot. Maybe it could sneak in here. Right there, like that. Passenger, I don't know what's underneath.
I don't know, that's just kind of weird.
Up here?
Yeah.
This is where all the old CVs were up high.
I know, but it just kind of sticks
out. This is where I always had my CV, was up top. The dash mount.
I'm liking it down lower.
The dash mount's not too bad.
Well, we'll see how it goes. Figure it out.
I'll show them the hole in the bumper we're going to try to use.
For the antenna?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, apparently there was one hole left in the stock bumper. We had no idea what it was for. But the antenna fits in there perfectly. And considering it's the new JL, doesn't have a lot of mounting points, we were going to put the antenna there. I don't know. If anything changes over time, we might get something better. But for now, that should work out.
No idea what this hole was for. It's in the factory bumper. I've seen pictures of other people with the steel bumpers. They have this hole too. So we're going to put the antenna in this hole. So what I'm working on right now is underneath. I have to make it so that it bonds. So I gotta scratch all the paint off. And that's what I'm working on right now. With a screwdriver, I'm scratching the paint off right there. So that way it gets a good ground on the antenna. I'll get back when I'm done.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Well, I ground the metal bare. I'm going to sneak this antenna wire this way, because I imagine I'm probably going to go up behind there somewhere. So I'm going to want it to come around the light, the fog light right here.
Right.
I want to get the cord around it. So I have to get behind these wires.
Alright, well, we found out that our original CB connector, or the antenna connector, excuse me, was hitting the fog light. So we had to make another run to the CB store, because it's never complete without making a couple trips to the CB store. And we got the 90-degree angle. And it gives us so much more room now.
$21 worth of more room.
Yeah, it was $21. But, you know, it works.
Yes.
And so he also bought, where is it? The spring to attach the antenna. So he's like the Australians. We shall come back when we get the rest of everything going. Okay, so we ran the cable from the antenna underneath, which is right here, going through this hole in the frame here, feeding it through down the frame to that hole there.
And then we're going to keep going. Isn't there one more hole? Yeah, we can keep going.
we're going to keep going through the frame, and then up to the drain plug.
And then in through the drain plug.
And then we'll get back to you when we get to that point.
Hole
Comparison.
was a little bit small.
Okay, so here's the hole on the driver's side, original size. And over on the passenger side, we had to take the same hole and drill it just a little larger to fill the cable so we could feed it through the frame.
One of the few things that my dad's had kept.
Yeah, deburring tools come in handy.
Oh, hell yeah. We got.
I see that.
Oh.
Touchdown! Hey, think they got enough weights on this thing?
Weights?
Your rims?
Oh.
Jeez.
Alright, feed it.
Yep.
So we've attached cable to the 90-degree. We fished it through the top hole in the frame rail, coming through the frame rail here, frame rail there, you can see it, going through the frame rail into the drain plug. And from there, we'll connect it to someplace in the cab. Okay, so we have it coming in from the drain plug. The extra cable is going to stay underneath the carpet. And we're going to put the CB over here next to the center console. Oh, okay, so we're going to put the ground, which is
Butt connectors.
right here, right there. Okay, so we ran the power through the drain plug up into the CB. And now we will mount the CB. Okay, and this is where the red cable is from the drain plug, going through the same frame rail to the front. There's the red there, goes up to the top, up to the battery. Okay, so we brought up the red cable up to the engine bay, ran it to the battery. Installing the mounting bracket for the CB. Alright, the CB is installed. We have signal. Read you loud and clear.
This is the Toad, Skeletoad. I'm haunting highways from California to New York City.
Woo!
Are you filming or am I just talking?
No, you are on film.
Oh no, I'm on film. You can hear me?
Yes.
Check, radio, check. I'm back on the side, reading the mail. Ow!
Yes, the CB is working. Woo!